Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So surprise, I'm going to start trying to do multiple videos every single day, or uploading multiple videos, obviously. So I haven't, usually my videos go up at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, but yeah, I'm going to start trying to post up videos around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time every day as well. So I'm going to be doing another general energy reading. So I've already cleansed my Kamaya healing sprays, and I am using my Tarot of Sexual Magic deck this time, and I'm going to go ahead and start shuffling my cards. So hopefully you guys have been enjoying these readings. I love doing these readings for you, and I'm having so much fun doing them. That's why I decided, especially while I'm still fun employed, like why not do multiple readings a day? This guy has been so much fun, and ever since coming back from vacation, I've been getting a lot of reading requests. So I got a couple of Zoom requests for cardomancy as well as 10 card tarot. So I'm so excited to be doing those with you guys. And just getting so many returning requests for readings has just been so great for me, and I'm just like so thankful to have this while I am currently fun employed. It's just been so much fun for me to like fully focus on this, and I would absolutely love if this like suddenly took off one day and I didn't have to worry about having a regular full-time job, because I love doing this so much. So I think we're pretty much done on shuffling. But obviously I'm getting really hot right now, and whenever that happens, it's always about someone is feeling really passionate towards you. So whoever I'm channeling right now is super attracted to you, super turned on by you. So whether you are in a relationship or in separation right now from your partner, or you have your eye on someone, so you have a crush, whoever I'm channeling definitely is attracted to you. So that's just the initial feeling I'm getting. So first off, I have a King of Pentacles. So this person definitely sees themselves getting into a relationship with you. They see themselves, being able to provide for you or wanting to provide for you. And yeah, they're just basically super attracted to you. I have a feeling you're acting a little bit shy around them right now. So, don't be afraid to, show who you are when you're around them. Just be yourself, flirt back a little bit maybe. This person is definitely open to it. They're just not sure how you feel about them because I think you're a little bit too closed off. So don't be afraid to open up to this person. This person has good intentions towards you. This person really desires you and is really attracted to you. So don't be shy, like be ready and just be open to what could happen with this person. Next, we have the World. So this person, I feel like, has gone through a lot in their past, but now with the World card here, I have a feeling that they've closed out a lot of cycles and they're ready for a new beginning. And that's why they're so confident in their approach towards you. They want to do things right. They want to be a provider. They want to, like, just the way this guy is looking at this girl, like, just really sees, like, they see you as their world, and they know that they want to come forward and just pretty much like almost devour you. Like, she looks like she's on a platter pretty much. Goodness. We got at least one more card. There we go. Thank you, Spirit. Next, we got an 8 of Wands. So this is about communication. So just like this, the way this guy is trying to feed this girl, this person wants to come in quickly and ask you out on a date, ask you. Or if you're in separation with this person, they want to see what you've been up to. And yeah, they want to ask you on a date. Someone, like, communication is going to be coming in fast, and they're going to want to get the ball rolling with you again, is what I'm feeling with that card. So let's get a few more cards, and then we'll go to the bottom of the deck. So I like this so far. This is just like someone who's just really attracted to you. Oh my gosh, if you guys could feel how hot I am right now. I mean, I know I am wearing a sweatshirt, but it's been overcast in Oakland for the past few days. Even though, like, everywhere else, I feel like everywhere is so hot because it is summer. It's just been overcast and a little bit chilly. Anyways, next we have a 5 of Pentacles. So I have a feeling that this person has been stalking you for a while and wanting to come forward and talk to you, express their love. That's what I'm getting with this little what is that, a violin. Someone's been wanting to, you know, come forward and express to you how they feel, but they haven't had the courage to in the past. That's why this is in reverse. But luckily with the Eight of Wands that came out before this, just know that this is a long time coming. This has been something that they've been stewing on, they've been sitting on, and been wanting to come forward, because so just the way this guy is like wanting to make out with this girl, like they've been really wanting to do this for a long time. They just haven't had the courage to do it yet, because they wanted to do it right. They wanted to come correctly. They wanted to make sure that they had their money right, that, you know, they could actually afford to take you out on dates. Maybe, you know, they've been waiting to get a promotion, or they've been waiting to just become more financially stable. Again, with like men, a lot of times, you know, their ego plays a big part of it, and, you know, who they are, what they do, and how much money they make really plays a part into their ability to commit to a relationship. So until a man has those things, they're not going to be able to come in and fully commit. So now that this person is feeling more stable, that's why they're coming in with this Eight of Wands energy, wanting to talk to you again, wanting to communicate how they feel, and wanting to ask you on a date, take you out. And then we have a Ten of Chalices in reverse. So unfortunately, I feel like this person is coming out of another relationship. They were in a long-term relationship that they thought that they were gonna, I don't know about long-term, but I'm getting 6+ months. This person was definitely with someone for, you know, like it wasn't like a summer fling or anything like that. Nothing like that was really quick, like 3 months. But 6+ months they were with someone, and that relationship turned out really bad. It was a Ten of Chalices in reverse, meaning that they really invested and wanted to see a long-lasting future with this person, but it all just fell apart. So that is one thing to be wary of. They did not just get out of a relationship, but they are still healing from that relationship and from things that happened. So just keep that in your mind. I think this person has good intentions, which is why it took them so long to come forward. But just, you know, keep in mind that they're still healing their heart too, which is, I think, Spirit just wants you to take things slowly with them. And lastly, we have a Knight of Chalices. So this person has definitely had a crush on you for a long time. I think even with this Ten of Chalices here, I feel like while this person's other relationship was ending, they already had you on their mind. They already had this crush on you, but now that they're finally single, and now that they're finally more financially stable, they're ready to come forward with how they truly feel, which is a good thing, which is why their like small crush has blossomed, and why they're ready to come forward and tell you how they feel. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Queen of Pentacles. This card hasn't come out yet, but yeah, with the Queen of Pentacles and also the King of Pentacles here, I think this person, they see you guys as a great couple. They see you guys as a power couple. You're going to be so financially abundant together. I think this person wants to work with you. If you've started your own business, or you've started your own side hustles, other things that you're doing, I think this person really wants to invest in you and invest in your business, or invest in projects that you guys can work on together, you know, that will go along with what you're currently doing. So this person definitely sees you as very prosperous, really just abundant, and just the way how that this guy is like at this girl's feet. They look at you in such like divine light. You truly are a queen to them. Under that, we have a Four of Swords. So this person, again, even though there is a Ten of Chalices here, this person has taken the time to rest, to heal, and learn from past relationships. So I wouldn't be too worried. Know that they did take a long time to heal, but they've taken enough time to heal that it shouldn't be too much of a worry to you. Just keep it in the back of your mind, only so that you guys can go slowly together and build a really sturdy and firm foundation together going forward. Next, we have a Queen of Swords in reverse. So I think you may have rejected this person in the past. This person tried to be honest with you about their feelings, but you know, you were either in another relationship, so you couldn't entertain them anymore, or this person just wasn't ready for you. So with that, with miscommunication and just like, I feel like other parties of manipulation going on, you guys weren't able to come together in the past, and you know, it caused you to reject this person and also just like react in a way that they weren't expecting. So it caused some conflict there, which is another reason why it's taking this person so much longer to come back. But we have the Ace of Pentacles here. Again, this person does want to be with you and they want a new beginning. They want just, you know, to be really prosperous with you. They really see a long-term, beautiful, blossoming commitment with you. So I think that's it for this reading. There's nothing really specific, like no energies that I want to go into or clarify. So I'm just going to ask Spirit, what can we expect the outcome to be for this particular situation? What can my collective expect to happen within the next 7 to 10 days? All right, thank you. So the first card that came out was the Stars in reverse. So I think this is something that you've wanted for a very long time, and you've like wished and hoped that it would come towards you, but it's taken this person so long to come forward that you don't really want it anymore. And I think that's just been an energy or a secret that you've been keeping. Like I feel like you've waited long enough, and absolutely, like it's up to you to decide whether or not you want to let this person in. But yeah, I think this is another thing that this person is worried about, that when they come forward, even though you are their wish fulfillment, they're worried that they're not your wish fulfillment anymore. With the Stars in reverse, they're just worried that, you know, they're not going to be able to get what they want. Next, we have the Justice card, and this one is coming out sideways, because I think this person feels like they need to give you justice. I think they really hurt you in the past, and you know, they want to be able to come correctly this time to give you justice and to make sure that you know and understand that they're going to do things right this time. And lastly, we have the High Priestess, because I think they know that you are a High Priestess. You are very intuitive and you're very in your power. You know what's going on. They know that they can't play games with you anymore. I think you've given them a chance in the past, and because they effed it up once, you're not going to let them do it again. So that's what you can expect to come from this situation. But that's it for today's reading. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If anything resonated, please do thumbs up the video so that you can energetically donate to the channel, and also just to energetically donate so that I can pick up better on your specific situation in the future. If you are new to the channel, hopefully something resonated for you and you do want to subscribe, and don't forget to also hit the bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. So that is it. Thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I'll see you in a later video. Bye guys.